So it's 11:30 o'clock at night. I'm pretty hungry, and I'm gonna show you guys the cheesiest, easiest way to make a keto pizza. I saw this on TikTok and I thought it was pretty genius. I'm making this right now because next week when they start that keto kickstart program I mentioned in the previous video, that program requires me to eat in total carbs, and something like this is not gonna fit into my macros just because, as you can see, it's actually 19 total carbs, and after all that math, it comes down to 4 carbs. So yeah, so you're gonna need 2 tortillas to make this and a little bit of butter. Butter is basically gonna act like glue. She melted it in her video. I'm not gonna melt the butter because it's late at night and I don't wanna get any more dishes dirty. So I'm just gonna like glide it on, kind of like a glue stick. So once we've got that done, we're gonna add the cheese. I'm just using my pre-shredded cheese that has potato starch on it because I still don't shred my cheese. So we're gonna add cheese to the middle of it. You can add as much as you like. You can also measure it, but I'm not gonna measure it because it's late at night. And then we plop that on there. Next, I'm gonna use this pizza sauce. It's the lowest carb pizza sauce I've ever seen at Walmart, so it's also cheap. So I'm gonna scoop the sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna spread it out like I've seen all the pizza places spread it out, starting in the middle and then doing it clockwise. I always get mad because I'm a sauce type of person. I really like sauce and I always feel like they skimp out on the sauce. All right, that looks good. Next, we're gonna go back in with cheese. Just a little sprinkle. You know why I like these pizzas so much? Because they kind of remind me of Lunchables. I freaking love Lunchables. Pizza Lunchables was my ish. Oh, I love them. Next, we got our pep. And a little bit more cheese so that the cheese can melt on top of the pepperoni. We're gonna also add some Italian seasoning just to make it a little bit more fancy. A little bit of red pepper for some heat. Yes. All right, and we are good to go. So at this stage, if you have an air fryer, this would be the best time to use the air fryer. It's like 400 degrees for 10 minutes and it should come out like super cheesy and melty. My air fryer broke. I only have an oven which kind of doubles as an air fryer, but it's not like the same thing. So I'm gonna use that and we'll be right back. In hindsight, I should have started on this so that it would have been easier for me to just insert it, but oh well. You live and you learn. Yes. Also, take a look at the air fryer and oven that my sister got me. It's pretty cool. I'm technically not using the right basket to air fry, but whatever. I'm hungry. I put it for 10 minutes. Now we wait. I'm so excited. I'm so freaking hungry. And this is so good. It's so easy. You have no idea how many of these I made. These definitely have been helping me curb my cravings for pizza, especially since I don't want to do fathead dough. I don't have the time to do fathead dough. It's very messy and sticky, and this is like super easy, quick, put it all together. Make 2 if you're really hungry. Is it keto? I mean, it can be. You can try to make it fit your macros, but it's more low carb than anything. But yeah, let's dig in. I meant to tell you guys that I broiled it. I just finished cutting it up. I thought I had recorded the footage. And this is it. Moment of truth. Look at that. Double stuffed, cheesy, thick, yummy. Delicious. I mean, look at it. Tell me you're not craving pizza right now. Like, this is like my favorite thing in the world. Midnight pizza that's nice, warm, cheesy, double stuff. Like, it's not just a thin layer of tortilla. It's like, it's cheesy. And I mean, what more could you want? It's like, okay, beauty blogger. Like, tell me you don't want that right now. Cheesy, delicious, saucy, low carb, easy to make. Bomb. Anyways, I just wanted to show you this recipe and actually have an excuse for making it for myself. But let me know what you think. Let me know if you have tried it, and let me know what else you would add to make it even better. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.